Let's pick up where we left with the last demo. But this time, we're going to look through the perspective of a product manager to see how a sales team and a product management team can collaborate together through Quip inside Salesforce. In this demo, the product manager is Patrick, and the sales manager is still Eli.
Eli just sent a request to Patrick, asking him to review the voice of the customer document.
The notification immediately takes Patrick into the document. This document was created to help gather insights from the front lines and share them directly with our product and marketing departments. It's a critical document to helping inform our new priorities as information comes in daily from each new customer conversation.
Eli has directed Patrick to this embedded Salesforce list view of open opportunities. The list view highlights opportunities that are blocked because the new product offering doesn't meet all of the customer's requirements.
As a product leader, this is critical information for Patrick to get access to that might normally be stuck in Salesforce or in the minds of sales reps. With Quip, there's always something new for Patrick to learn from our customers. This is Patrick's window into Salesforce, and it's built in a way that's easy for him to interface with the sales team without a formal meeting. For Eli to message Patrick directly, it shows they not only have a working relationship, but this account must be pretty important.
Eli loves that Quip gives him the ability to bubble feedback up to the product team, champion the customer, and impact the roadmap.
The document link takes Patrick to the notes document from the last demo. It's part of the new process the sales teams rolled out to do more relevant discovery and qualification with our customers. This is the fourth customer this week to mention elastic requirements for the new product offerings in response to COVID. This is clearly becoming a trend. Patrick asks a clarifying question to the sales rep directly in line and instantly gets a response. No emails or meetings required. They're both talking about this customer in perfect working context. It's important to call out that this conversation in Quip is happening in two different ways for the sales rep and Patrick. Patrick is viewing the call notes in Quip, and the sales rep is viewing the call notes in Salesforce, and they're both able to chat in real time about it.
This is how Quip helps bring teammates into the context of the customer, bringing teammates who don't have Salesforce licenses into Salesforce. This enables easier collaboration between sales teams and product teams. The interaction is quick and simple in Quip, and makes it easier for these two types of teams to work together on a daily informal level.
Now that Patrick has all the information, he's able to go back to his product team and discuss how the new elastic requirements might be a necessary addition to the new product offering. Quip has helped Patrick translate what sales is hearing on the front lines and turn them into actionable changes in their product. To recap, we just saw how Quip can help internal teams like a product team interface with a sales team in the context of Salesforce, and ultimately the context of the customer. All of it happened without a single email or video conference. Quip enabled the product leader to connect with both the sales manager and the sales rep directly. While the interactions were simple, the value was huge, as the product leader was able to take valuable insights back to the team and then bake them into the next iteration of the product offering. Now I want to show you how teams can work together in Quip completely outside of Salesforce by running meetings and projects in Quip documents. In this case, we'll be working from the perspective of a marketing manager named Sue. Okay, so we just got done with a meeting between some of the marketing leaders and sales leaders, reviewing the first draft of a new sales play to help the sales team sell the new product offering to customers.
Quip is a perfect solution for running meeting notes because the docs are living. Everyone can view and edit, and they are great for tracking work agreed to in the meeting.
You can see here that Sue was assigned the task of finalizing the new sales play by next Friday. These inline tasks with assignees and due dates are a great way to make meetings actionable. Not only will Quip keep Sue accountable to this task with reminders, but she knows the group will follow up on this during next week's meeting too, so she's got to get it done. It's simple to add a link to the document where Sue's drafting the sales play, just in case anyone who missed the meeting wants to take a look.
This is such an understated part of Quip. It's easy to link related work together. So while documents can be organized into folders, it's the linking between documents that lets you quickly jump around from document to document with ease and speed.
That's right. Sue goes ahead and incorporates the feedback from the marketing sales leadership meeting, and now she wants some teammates to review it.
Sue needs to run to the grocery store. So she just switches to the Quip mobile app and asks her teammates directly in the Quip doc, instead of emailing them separately. They'll instantly get a notification in Quip, which takes them right to the document here. You can see that Sue also assigned her teammates a task to review and approve by the end of the week. What's important to call out here about Quip is that all of the work, communication, and task tracking happens in the same place instead of 3 different apps. It makes working together really easy and obvious, and it's all possible from your mobile device.
And looks like they're both good to review this by the end of the week. Awesome. I actually really love this about Quip. It's fast, communication happens in context, and the teamwork is mobile and easy. Sue is back from the grocery store and back on her laptop. She can update the status of the sales play in the project plan, where the teams are tracking all the work related to the business response to COVID. There's a handy link back to the document here, and when I click it, we're now into the project plan. Again, it's just so easy to hop from document to document. Here's the team's project plan where they're defining, assigning, and tracking all the work for the project. This is a really common use case in Quip, and all it takes is embedding a spreadsheet into a document.
This is something that's really cool about Quip, because with a spreadsheet embedded in the document, it has complete context. Everyone can see the high-level project details at the top of the document, and then the in-the-weeds tracking in the spreadsheet. The team also records the weekly status meeting updates below the spreadsheet, so this document really is one project hub. There's no other app where the team talks about this project.
Scanning down the spreadsheet, Sue can see where the messaging guide is complete, the voice of the customer item is complete, and then she can find her sales play line item, and it's easy to update the status. This will let anyone that looks at our project plan know that it's officially in review. Sue can also change the due date because of the feedback from the meeting. The sales team wants it earlier than initially planned. It's simple to change, and Sue can even leave a quick note that Cindy and Elliot are reviewing by end of week.
Quip empowers everyone to work with more transparency and more autonomy. Sue doesn't have to wait for the next status meeting to give an update. She can just leave it here in the document so everyone, but especially the program manager, knows what's going on with her deliverables.